Welcome back to our channel. So today we'll be providing you steps on how to market your product. Previously we taught you on how to start an online business without any capital. So if you think that this channel will help you to build your online store, please do subscribe. So previously we taught you on how to start an online business without any capital. So by now you are ready to open your store. If you haven't watched the video, I'll provide the link in the description below. Now you will have to open your store. It can be a physical store or an online store. But nowadays, it's more practical to start an online store. So you can have a website. But a website, it would cost you a lot. So in this video, we'll be teaching you on how to start or post your product or market your product without any cost at all. So in this video, we'll be teaching on how to create a Facebook page step by step. Watch this short clip. Now, after watching that video, I'm sure you know how to create a Facebook page. It's time to access your Facebook page. Now, once you're routed to your Facebook page, you can actually customize your shop. You can add a profile picture, you can add a background picture, and then you can start posting your items or your products.
We met, your eyes so blue, me piercing through. I can't forget the day we met, your smile so bright, it made me swoon. Our love is like a summer's day, hot and endless in a magic way. Whenever I see you, all I can think is my summer love. Been waiting for you, my love. My summer love, been waiting for you, my love. I can't forget the days forever young.
One of the helpful features of Facebook page is the instant reply and away messages. To access and update, just go to settings and then messaging. All you have to do is to activate the radio button of instant reply and then the away messaging. messages. Now you can go ahead and customize the message. Usually, you can include your mobile number, your landline number, your email address, or even your website. You can do the same under away message. You can also customize it. It is best that you have to customize it so that whenever you are not around or online, these away messages or instant reply will be prompt to the prospect buyer. Now you're set up and you're good to go. You can start selling.